So now today we'll see some formulas. Today's day is for completely for only different formula we'll see. For that we will create some sheets and then we'll create the some formula, right? And then start creating some. So first is employee ID, right? So you will create the sheet, right? Anywhere we can write. You can start from first cell also, or you can start in between also. So I'm starting from in between somewhere so that. So this is a name, then maybe basic salary, then HRA. So we'll calculate salary now, final salary, HRA DA, then bonus, then present days and total salary. This is what we want to clear with the calculation. We'll try and clear this, right? Fine. So this is the, yes, now, so employee ID will get 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2. The name is, we'll start with, I will not write any particular name. So A1, then A2. So these are the names. Now, if I want this, so I'll put basic the 15,000 and HRA is, I want to, HRA is on percentage. So I want to add some, I want to insert, right? So one row is inserted and HRA is basically, maybe you will give it its 15% of basic, right? 15% of basic will be HRA. Now, DA is also maybe 17% of basic. That is what we will do calculations. Then bonus is also 5% of basic, right? And then percentage will be percentage. Right. So this is for A2, the basic is maybe for 13,500. So similar thing now we'll try and calculate. So we'll make 10 employees, the employee for 10, and then we'll not only the calculations, but we will decorate it also so that it will look nice. Done. Make 10 employees. तो मैंने क्या किया, ड्रैग किया, देखो. Once you drag it, what will happen is, I'll, right, 1 and 2, I'll select 1 and 2. I'll click on 1, shift key, second. Right, selection हो गया, तो both selected, both cells selected. Again, I'll show you again, right? I'll click on 1 for the cell from where I want to start the selection. Then I will press shift key. I'll keep shift key pressed and then I'll keep on 2. So when I'll keep on 2, both cells are selected. Now see here, the cursor is changing. Now if you click on, double click or drag this, if you can drag this, like I'll do it again, select length, and if you drag this till the numbers will be automatically increment, auto increment will be happen. Right, see this is, auto increment is happening. So 10 numbers are there. Now this 10 number. Similarly, this A1, A2 also will automatically add to increments should be there. So we'll see that also. See A3, A5. So this is right. So yeah, अभी क्या हो गया? Employee name you can take anything. Why I have taken? Because to save the time. That's it. Otherwise we can type in the name of the employee. This is now here we will add the proper values, right? Maybe 20,000. So different employees at different this thing. So 20,000, maybe 24,000, maybe 11,000. So different employees has different 12,500. And then we'll keep some values similar so that the calculations will check are correct or not. So 15,000, then another 12,500, then 16,000, and one more 16,000, right? So these are the values. Now what is here? Here we have to put the formula. Now HRA is 15% of basic. So I'll put a formula. So formula always starts with equal sign. So that is this basic sale into is star into 15%. 15% is, there are two ways to write it, 15 and then percent. This is also okay, or 0.15 is also okay. So we'll see both. 0.15 also we'll see. Now, is it okay for this? I'll click C6, the sale. So that basic into, so basic into that value. So basic is C6, right? And then the HRA is 15%, so 0.15%. So I'll click this and then this C 2250 is there. Now I'll change. If I'll double click this, I'll make it. We'll check it. Is it possible with 15%, right? 15%. That is also correct, right? So there are ways to write the formula. There are different ways. Two methods I have shown. Another way I'll show this divide by 100. See, so all three formulas are working. That's what maths. That's the beauty of mathematics, right? Beauty of mathematics. Three ways we have seen, and all three ways are we are getting the same answer. All three ways we are getting the same answer, right? Now this calculation, now this cell has been calculated. So I need not to calculate for remaining cell. I will just drag it the formula. This see, if I take this to the right down bottom of the cell, right down bottom of the cell, the cursor will change. And if I drag it, all the values will be automatically calculated. See, all the values are automatically calculated. Values are getting calculated automatically. And see, where the values are clear, 16,000 means it is exactly 2,400, 2,400, and this also values are automatically, these are calculated. Now, similarly, we have to calculate the DA of 17%. So we'll calculate the DA 17%. Similarly, it will be is equal to now the sale value 15,000 into again 17%. So 17%, 17 and so 17 and percent. So it will calculate the values of DA, right? So 2,550. So if I double click here, now another way of need not to drag it. If I double click here, automatically it will calculate the values. So various ways I am telling you. The mathematical different ways also I am telling you, as well as the formatting ways of different I am telling you. So now another way, another is the bonus is 5% of basic. So 5% of basic again is equal to this into is star into 5%. 5%. So I'll equal it. So 750 is the basic. Now if I'll drag it or double click, so it will be automatically calculated. So this way, the salary calculations has been done. Salary calculation. Now, how many days he is present out of like that May? Which month? Like for example, we are calculating for the month of May, or maybe we'll take February only. So there will be very good calculations. February only, right? Now present days, for example, he is present for 28 days, and then the days will be different, right? He will be present for 27 days, maybe again 28 days. Now he is present for 25 days. Now these are worker type of people. So number of days according to the salary will be calculated. So it's okay. 22 days. Now another 28 days, 27 days, maybe 26 days. Another 26 days, and then we'll make 23 days. So these are the number of days. Now we want to calculate the total salary. Want to calculate the total salary. First we'll calculate the salary, and then we'll calculate. So I'll make another column. So here I'll calculate the salary, right? And then calculate total salary. Why I'm calculating salary and total salary, I'll tell you that also. Right? So total salary. Total salary. So these are the two things we will calculate. So salary first, we'll calculate the salary. Now, what exactly mean by salary? Salary will calculate out of for complete month. Out of month. And then we'll multiply it by number of days, and then we'll reduce it. Why? Just to understand you. We can do it in the same column, but to you must have an idea what exactly the calculation. So out of month. So what exactly salary is? Salary is equal to, now it is basically this basic, right? Then plus, then HRA plus DA plus bonus. This is what is salary for the month. So 20,550. This is for the salary for the month. Now, again, if I drag it, the salary for the month will be calculated for all the employees. Now I want to calculate actual salary, what he has taken. So I'm sorry, what I made a mistake. So this is total salary. and this is take home salary. How much he is taking home. So take home salary, right? So we'll see now what exactly he is taking home salary. So what I need to do is I have to multiply this is equal to this into number of days divided by how many days are there in that month. So we'll check. Now he is present, like Mr. A1 is present for all 28 days. So means he is present for all 28 days means he will get a full salary. So just check. See, he is getting full salary. Now we'll drag it and then automatically all the salaries will be calculated. Double click here. See, now here he is getting the salary is getting in decimal points are much. So we will calculate it only up to the final rupees value. So we'll check it. We'll make it. The decimal points will reduce. Sorry, the decimal point will reduce and we'll make it in. That's it. So salaries are being calculated. Just see it. So nicely we have calculated the salary. Now if you have not understood anything, I'll wait for 2 minutes. I'll wait for 2 minutes. You have not understood anything. Now, there are two parts in this. One is the Excel formula, and other one is the mathematical formula. Probably you may not understand the mathematical formula. That is not much difference, right? That is not difficult. Mathematical formula, yes, I can understand. Like if you don't understand, I need to explain it again. But if you don't understand Excel, then you ask it. So I'll wait for 2 minutes. 2 3 minutes. I'll wait for 2 3 minutes. Just exactly understand what I did, how the salary sheet has been calculated, and then we'll make the certain corrections. We'll give some good name, then good colorful. We'll make then proper formatting, then central alignments, and everything will do. I explained very nice. Thank you, Vaishnavi.
So, sir, could you repeat that 15% of basic formula? Actually, I was doing it with you only, but was not able to do it.
Okay, 15% of basic.
Uh-huh.
Fine. I'll explain.
How did you
Anybody
put
else?
it?
I'll explain. Thank you. Anybody else have been having any questions? Please ask so that I can explain the 15% of basic क्या है HRA. HRA means what? हाउस रेंट अलाउंस. हाउस रेंट अलाउंस कितना देती है कंपनी? जो उसको बेसिक मिल रहा है उसके 15% देती है. तो उसको बेसिक कितना मिल रहा है? 15,000. तो C6 इंटू इंटू कितना? 15%. So 15%. So this is what his HRA A1 is getting, right? If I click enter, so automatically HRA for the person A1 is calculated. Now I want to calculate for the other person also. I needed to calculate. I am just taking my mouse on the sale right side down, right side bottom. If the mouse, the cursor will change. When the cursor will change, I'll double click it, and automatically all the basic values will be calculated. All the basic values. सर टेक होम सैलरी. अब देखो हर एक का अलग अलग सैलरी बराबर. इसका देखो, इसको अगर वो पूरा दिन प्रेजेंट रहता तो 21,920 मिलता. सी A10, दिस A10 है ना. A10 वाला अगर पूरा दिन अगर प्रेजेंट रहता तो 21,920 सैलरी मिलता. But he is present for 24 days only. So automatically that value is deducted. Now this here comes the mathematics, and that's why I insist. Like one BBA student will agree with me. I insist like your mathematics. I'm not talking about the very high mathematics of 11, 12 integration derivative. वगैरह. I'm talking about mathematics of from fourth standard to 10th standard. You must be very good. Whatever field you choose in a marketing or a finance or a HR or a science or engineering or medical or any, but your basic mathematics should be very good. Unless and until your basic mathematics, you know that will be very difficult. Now what we will do is we will make this colorful. We'll make colorful also. We'll name the company name also. Will everything all this salary sheet will make it very nice. So first, let me highlight this. Right, this I will highlight. Right. So this is first. What I will do is I'll make it. I will put a border to all the. So first is the border. Now this and I want to merge it. So this I will merge it, and then this merge, and then center. This is the. Now this is I need a format. I need to format this. I need to format this. Right. So these are there. So nicely formatting done. Now this I want to make it of different color and with proper good background. So this maybe okay. This looks better. I'll make it more light. So this looks better, right? So this is okay. And again, I want to maybe okay, fine. And then I want to check this as this. I want to take it as center alignment. Name also I want to take it as central alignment, right? Right. central aligned. So this way we can, the remaining are the numbers, so I'll keep it there only, right? So things are working now. So now this is February. I'll make this also. I'll make this also central aligned. Central aligned, right? Fine. So these are all centrally aligned now. So it looks very good now. So have you understood this now? From my company, how much money I need? So what I need a summation of all this, summation of all this. So here you see there is one command AutoSum, and I want to have AutoSum here, like total salary which is paid in this month. So that I can take a check and I can deposit it in the bank, so that they can take the employees will directly take their salary. They can the account in their account, then from the bank the salary will be deposited, for example. So I want to do the AutoSum. So what I will do is I'll click here on AutoSum. See, so this is, if I click only AutoSum, it is get highlighted. The entire cell, all these cells will get highlighted, of which the AutoSum will be there. So this six I6 to I15. This is column number I, and it is I6 to I15. All the values will get added sum. So this is another way of adding. See, here also we did some, the horizontal cells we did some. Now this is vertical. It is not horizontally also we can do some, but here horizontally the one column was not required. So this is all in sequentially, all the columns, all the cells will be added. So when I click enter, see automatically 1,92,240 rupees is what I will change the name of the, and rename it. So this is salary. But what I want is, I want now this to be copied in the next sheet, because I don't want to copy it. I don't want to create this similar sheets every time. So I will control C. See, control C, it is get highlighted, and I want to copy it again in the next sheet. See, I have clicked next, another sheet I have added. How to add the next sheet? I'll tell you this, right? How to add the next sheet? In the next sheet, if I click plus here, plus, automatically the next sheet gets added. Automatically a next sheet. See, sheet one is got added. Our salary sheet is already there, and the new sheet is getting added. Now this new sheet, what I want is, in new sheet, I want to paste this. So control V. Now see, things have been properly, right? This is, and if you want to increase the size and everything, that you can definitely do, right? Fine. So this, you see, in both the month salary are there, like February, and this what I can do, or employee needs and everything is there copied. Only thing what I need to change is number of days for that particular month. The next month, for example, if it is March, I need to change the number of days only and the present days only, and immediately in 2 minutes the salary sheet is ready, and your boss is very happy, because now your boss will understand that you can make the salary sheet in 2 minutes. So that is what, right? But when copying, there are certain formatting things get changed. Like for example, ये HRA का जो D है, that वो थोड़ा सा क्या हो गया, चेंज हो गया, देखो थोड़ा सा फॉर्मेटिंग में फर्क पड़ता है. That you need to only adjust when you are copying it. Without with formatting also you can copy, but now we'll see it in some other day कि भाई formatting रखते हुए कैसा copy करते हैं. That we'll see maybe on some other day, right? So this is what, now the things are ready, right? So I'll go to salary sheet again. Now again there are here here I want to write total salary for for the month February 2025, right? Now what I want is, this is actually getting, I'll cut it and I'll paste it here so that it will accommodate. Now here I'll select this, I'll select this and I'll merge it, right? Because that is important, right? See, and then again I want to put a border to that. So this is okay now. Still, it is not accommodating. So what I'll do is, I'll cut it and I'll paste it from here. Right. Now here I will just merge it. Now see, it's nicely done. And here, nicely done. I'll take it in left alignment. or even right alignment is also okay. And I'll put a border for this. And what I will do is I'll change the color of these two so that I can understand. See, I'll change the background color also, and I'll change the font color also. Maybe this is the font color, and I'll increase the size of the fine. So this is what is fine. Okay, so we'll do the final formatting, and then we'll. So this will add the company name ABC Software Development Private Limited. This is the name of the company, and I want to make it merge, and then change the font. Maybe pick different font. Okay, this is the font, and font size will increase. Then we'll change the color, right? And then here, in the phase 2, highway, Pune, Maharashtra. And then in theory, here I will put some number, like maybe 23 or like 2. So this the number is also mentioned, right? So here I will again, what I will do is I'll merge it and then center, right? And here shift, and then we'll just merge and increase the font size. Here I'll write month, and the month is February 2025. So this is the right. So salary sheet is also there, month is also there, February. Font size I want to increase so that I can increase font size also. And now here also I want to put a color. I'll just put the border for all. So this is there, right? Now here salary sheet, what I can do is, see, salary sheet is not at center. So this I can make it merge, right? And then month, February. Again, this also I can put it in at center. Now here, can you check this? If I double click on the month, it will automatically show the date, right? So it's okay, fine. Now this salary is there. Now I'll take signatures. I'll write the name of the people who are responsible to give the salary. So here I'll write now maybe accountant, and then HR manager, right? Then maybe project, 3, 4 people will sign it, right? So project manager, and then maybe chief executive officer. These are the name of the people who will, and then he'll merge and center. Similarly, HR manager will also merge and center. Project manager will also merge and center, or you can format also. So formatting is format mentor is also okay for it. So anything is whatever you want, you can do it. So these are there now. Here, if you want, right? You want to put a signature line, or so you can do it. So this is ready now. Now the February month salary is ready. Now I want to copy it. Now I'll change this sheet to now this name of the salary to rename I'll salary, and I'll put it Feb 25. right? 525. And this I want to sheet one, I'll change it to next month, that is salary. Now this is March 25, right? And now I want to change this salary. I'll copy this, right? Entire thing I'll copy, Control C, and first I will delete this. First I will delete this, and then no border, then no color, no fill, right? Everything will be here. I will click and then Control V. So this is not getting copied. I'll repeat. What I did is only I just कट पेस्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. तो यहाँ से मैंने कॉपी किया है, कंट्रोल सी, है ना, सिलेक्ट हो गया. देन द डॉटेड बाय बैकग्राउंड, डॉटेड बाय बॉर्डर लाइन इज देयर, सो इट मींस इज कॉपीड. बट पेस्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ तो पेस्ट नहीं होगा. सो दिस आई रिपीट, कंट्रोल वी. सो इट इज शोइंग, इट इज एक छोटा सा साउंड आ रहा है और वो पेस्ट नहीं हो रहा है. क्यों नहीं पेस्ट हो रहा है? बिकॉज दिस सेल्स आर मर्ज्ड. दिस सेल्स वन एंड टू आर मर्ज. तो वन एंड टू सेल मर्ज में पहले मुझे अनमर्ज करना पड़ेगा, देन और अदरवाइज इफ आई क्लिक ऑन 3 एंड इफ आई प्लेस कंट्रोल वी, कॉपी हो जाएगा. देखिए, तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि नॉर्मल, ये सेल पहली नॉर्मल सेल है तो नॉर्मल सेल में ही कॉपी करना पड़ेगा, मर्ज सेल में वो पूरा कॉपी नहीं होगा. सो यू नीड टू चेक दैट. आप जब कहीं से कॉपी जब आप कोई अदर सेल में पेस्ट कर रहे हो, तो जहां पे पेस्ट कर रहे हो वो सेल नॉर्मल सेल होना चाहिए. वो सेल अगर कुछ फॉर्मेटेड सेल या फिर मर्ज सेल या कुछ और अगर रहेगी तो उसमें कॉपी नहीं होगा. दैट यू नीड टू रिमेंबर. देखो अभी पूरा प्रॉपर कॉपी हो गया, राइट? प्रॉपर कॉपी. सो आई विल चेंज इट टू मार्च नाउ. सो हियर everything I'll change. Here I'll change to March. I'll show you very good this thing today, right? March. So total salary. So now here the March days. Now I'll change maybe the days number 31, right? Maybe 30, maybe again 31, maybe 29, maybe 31, maybe 31. Absentees list 27, maybe 29, maybe 30, and maybe 30, right? So these are the number of days. Now so rest is thing, basic will not change, D will not change, everything. So month will change here also. The month is now third month. So third, this I'll put it third. So automatically the March will be there, right? Now only thing I need to change this. Now I did not to change anything. Everything has been automatically calculated. This I need to change only the number of days to 31. March, for example, 31 days, right? 31 days. So we have to click on that. Now this is calculated. If I drag it, सारे के सारे कैलकुलेशन अपने आप हो जाएंगे. टोटल भी कैलकुलेट हो गया, एवरीथिंग इज कैलकुलेटेड. ओनली जो मैंने मैन्युअल एंट्री किया था वो मैन्युअल एंट्री मुझे चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. मैन्युअल एंट्री मुझे चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. दैट्स इट. सो 2,51,000, 2,05,000 रुपीज जो मुझे यहाँ पे अभी पे करना पड़ेगा फॉर दी सैलरी ऑफ फरवरी का शीट. ये बना है, फरवरी का शीट दिखाई दे रहा है आपको. सो दिस इज फरवरी शीट, दिस इज मार्च शीट. कितना टाइम लगा? 2 मिनट में मार्च का शीट कैलकुलेट हो गया, फिनिश. और पूरा मंथ वगैरह ये वो साइन वाइन सब पूरा रेडी. 2 मिनट में आप कितना एचआर मैनेजर का काम फिनिश, राइट? अब मुझे क्या करना है? मुझे ये जो पहला शीट है, सैलरी फरवरी की शीट है, ये फरवरी की शीट में ये मैं क्या करता हूँ, दिस आई विल मेक इट फॉर्मेट करके यहाँ पे पेस्ट करता हूँ. सो दिस आई सॉरी, सो आई दिस कॉपी दिस एंड पेस्ट इट हियर, राइट? एंड आई चेंज इट टू मार्च. और मार्च की जो सैलरी है, मार्च की जो सैलरी है, मार्च की सैलरी ऑटोमेटिक यहाँ पे आनी चाहिए. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल ड्रैग इट हियर. तो ड्रैग ये करके अभी ये मैं डिलीट कर रहा हूँ. सो मार्च की सैलरी मुझे यहाँ पे अगर लेना है, इज इक्वल टू, अब मुझे कहाँ से लेनी है मार्च की सैलरी? व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज जस्ट सी इट वेरी केयरफुली. नाउ मार्च की सैलरी कौन सी? दूसरी शीट में है. सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, यहाँ पे इक्वल कर रहा हूँ, मार्च के सैलरी में जा रहा हूँ, यहाँ का शीट यहाँ पे क्लिक कर रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे क्लिक करने के बाद बॉर्डर साइट हो गया, मैं एंटर कर रहा हूँ, ऑटोमेटिकली फर्स्ट शीट में सेकंड का डेटा आ गया. मार्च का 25 का सैलरी का डेटा तो सेकंड शीट में था. जस्ट यहाँ पे डबल क्लिक कर, यहाँ पे इक्वल करने से, और मैं कैसे किया वापस दिखाता हूँ. आई डिलीट इट, आई डिलीट मैंने कैसे किया वापस दिखाता हूँ, राइट? हाउ एग्जैक्टली अ डेटा फ्रॉम सेकंड शीट कैन बी इंसर्टेड इन द फर्स्ट शीट और nth number of sheet into any other sheet, one sheet to another sheet. How to call how to copy data from one sheet to another sheet. This is why I'm telling you, teaching you. So just इक्वल साइन डेटा चाहिए, इक्वल साइन करेंगे, जहां पे जाना है, जो शीट में जाना है वो शीट में जाएंगे, कहाँ पे जाएंगे, सैलरी मार्च 25, कौन सा कॉपी करना है उस पर क्लिक करेंगे, जैसा कॉपी करेंगे कॉपी वाला क्लिक हो जाएगा, एंटर करेंगे, अपने आप यहाँ पे आ गया कॉपी करनी है। सो मुझे कॉपी करने की जरूरत नहीं, मुझे पूरा ऐसा ये पूरा क्या बोलेंगे उसको, कंट्रोल सी कंट्रोल भी करने की जरूरत नहीं, सीधा फॉर्मूला इक्वल करो, click on this, enter करो, automatically that value will be copied, value number will be calculated and automatically will be copied. So मैंने दो चीजें आपको बताया, सेम शीट में एक सेल से दूसरे सेल में सेम वैल्यूज कॉपी कैसा करने का, इक्वल 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 सिंबल यूज करके कैसा कॉपी करने का, वो मैंने आपको दिखाया। एंड सेकंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग मैंने आपको बताया जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, एक शीट से दूसरी शीट में डेटा कैसे ट्रांसफर किया जाता है, एक शीट से दूसरी शीट में डेटा कैसे ट्रांसफर किया जाता है, दैट इज इसकी इनकी एवरेज सैलरी कैलकुलेट करनी है। तो मुझे यहाँ पे फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे मुझे करना है एवरेज सैलरी कैलकुलेट इज इक्वल टू एवरेज, ये एवरेज आ गया देखो, एवरेज आ गया, राइट। अभी एवरेज मैंने ले लिया, एवरेज लेने के बाद पूछ रहा है नंबर वन नंबर टू, तो जो जो एवरेज है वो सारे सारे मुझे पूछ रहा है, यहाँ पे डालता हूँ, मुझे किन का एवरेज चाहिए, ये वाला एवरेज चाहिए। और यहाँ से कहाँ चाहिए, मैं शिफ्ट की प्रेस कर रहा हूँ और डाउनवर्ड एरो की प्रेस कर रहा हूँ, शिफ्ट की प्रेस कर रहा हूँ, डाउनवर्ड एरो, शिफ्ट डाउनवर्ड एरो, शिफ्ट डाउनवर्ड एरो, ऐसा भी मैं कर सकता हूँ, या फिर मैं वो रेंज भी लिख सकता हूँ। सो विल सी बोथ, फर्स्ट मैंने क्या किया, जहां से मुझे सिलेक्ट करना है वहां से किया, देन द ब्रैकेट मुझे कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा, ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा, ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा, व्हेन आई क्लिक दैट, नाउ दिस विल बी द एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ दोज ऑल हैज बीन ऑलरेडी, सिंपल एवरेज वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करके यहाँ आ गया। सो आई राइट डाउन हियर एवरेज, ये एवरेज अपना यहाँ पे आ गया, और व्हाट आई विल डू इज, मैं यहाँ से डिलीट करके वापस मैं एवरेज कैलकुलेट करता हूँ और कई और कैलकुलेट करता हूँ, सो दैट यहाँ पे मैं कैलकुलेट करता हूँ, सो दैट सो एवरेज सैलरी, व्हाट विल हैपन इज इट विल लुक गुड, और वो मिक्सअप नहीं होगा। सो एवरेज सैलरी, इसको मैं थोड़ा सा बड़ा करता हूँ, सो एवरेज सैलरी इज इक्वल टू अगेन एवरेज, एवरेज फॉर्मूला अपने आप जितने भी फॉर्मूले सारे फॉर्मूले आ जाते हैं, जो चाहिए आप सिलेक्ट करो, पहले एक दो वर्ड भी आप टाइप करोगे तो ऑल ऑल फॉर्मूले लिस्ट विल कम, सो आई सिलेक्टेड फर्स्ट, देन अभी मैंने मुझे क्या करना है, वापस जो शुरू करना है कहाँ से, नंबर वन इज दिस, और कहाँ तक जाना है, ये यहाँ तक जाना है, सो दिस आई हैव सिलेक्टेड, ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट किया, फॉर्मूला कंप्लीट हो गया, ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट किया, फॉर्मूला कंप्लीट हुआ, एवरेज का फॉर्मूला क्या है, एवरेज लिखो और ब्रैकेट में कहाँ से कहाँ तक का वैल्यू आपको एवरेज निकालना है, सो दैट एवरेज, दिस इज द एवरेज, एवरेज मैंने निकाला, ये एवरेज कौन सी है, फॉर एग्जांपल एवरेज सैलरी टेक होम, एवरेज टेक होम सैलरी, टेक होम सैलरी, राइट, एवरेज टेक होम सैलरी। अभी मुझे यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, ये अभी ये देखो क्या हो रहा है, ये हाइड हो जा रहा है, तो हाइड हो जा रहा है तो क्या करना है, रैप करोगे तो वो आ जाएगा, देखो सी, रैप टेक्स्ट पे वापस करता हूं मैं। अभी क्या हो रहा है, ये हाइड हो रहा है सेल, या तो मुझे सेल की लेंथ बढ़ानी पड़ेगी, या फिर सेल की, या तो लेंथ बढ़ानी पड़ेगी या हाइट बढ़ानी पड़ेगी। सो मैं रैप टेस्ट अगर करूंगा तो कॉलम की हाइट बढ़ जाए, रो की हाइट बढ़ जाएगी, और ऑटोमेटिकली द एंटायर द टेक्स्ट विल बी विजिबल। सो ये टेक होम सैलरी हो गया, ये थोड़ा नीचे आ गया, इसको मैं बीच में लेता हूँ। सो एवरेज टेक होम सैलरी, मुझे सिमिलरली एवरेज टोटल सैलरी भी निकालना है, एवरेज टोटल सैलरी, सो एवरेज टोटल सैलरी, इसको भी मुझे क्या करना है, आई वांट टू रैप इट, एंड देन आई वांट टू जस्ट मेक इट सेंट्रल, राइट, एंड देन इसको भी मुझे क्या करना है, बॉक्स बनाना है। सो आई विल मेक अ बॉक्स, आई विल गिव अ बॉर्डर, ऑल बॉर्डर देंगे, और आई वांट टू चेंज द कलर ऑफ दैट to maybe some different color, so that it will be good, nicely visible, right? Now this also I want to calculate, the average is equal to average, so average, now this average is this value, right, total out of, right, this is the average, so column H, ये एवरेज मुझे निकालना है, सो एवरेज दिस इज, सॉरी मैं मिस्टेक कर गया, सॉरी, I'll do it again, equal, then from this to this, right, and then ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट करने का रह गया था, so ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट is equal to average from here to here, and then bracket complete. So see, the average value is there, and I want to it a round figure. So round figure is also there. See, nicely. नाउ बोथ सैलरीज आर एवरेज सैलरी, इसका भी निकल गया और इसका भी निकल गया, दोनों एवरेज सैलरी मेरे पास है। एनीथिंग वॉट एवर यू वांट ना यू कैन डू इट। ये तो मैं सिंपल बता रहा हूँ आपको। सी एग्जांपल लेके मैं आपको क्यों बता रहा हूँ, सो दैट यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द फॉर्मूला। बेसिकली क्या फॉर्मूले आएंगे, वो फॉर्मूले आप अभी चेक कर सकते हो। तो देयर इज टू थिंग्स। मैं थोड़ा सा इसका फॉन्ट कलर थोड़ा चेंज करता हूँ, सो दैट विल बी विजिबल। राइट राइट फाइन। सो दिस इज द सैलरी शीट व्हाट वी हैव मेड फॉर 2 मंथ्स। अब ये एवरेज हो गया, ये अभी आपका दिखा कहाँ पे, फरवरी में। मार्च पे, मार्च में दिखाई दे रहा है कि वो नहीं दिखाई दे रहा। मार्च में दिखाई देने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, सो सेम थिंग व्हाट आई कैन डू इज, मैं यहां से इसको कॉपी करूंगा, कंट्रोल सी, देन आई विल गो टू सैलरी फॉर मार्च, क्लिक वेयर समवेयर एंड देन विल पेस्ट। नाउ सी हाउ मेनी पेस्ट ऑप्शंस आर देयर, हाउ मेनी पेस्ट ऑप्शंस आर देयर, how many paste options are there. See, this is one paste, then second is only values, third one is formula, fourth one is ट्रांसपोज, ट्रांसपोज उल्टा करके, राइट। सो हाउ मच थिंग, तो मुझे फॉर्मूला पेस्ट करना है, सो आई पेस्ट फॉर्मूला। राइट, फॉर्मूला मैंने पेस्ट कर दिया, ये चेंज पेस्ट नहीं किया। मैं दूसरा पेस्ट करता हूँ, वापस वापस लेकर जाता हूँ, सो आई अगेन कॉपी इट। और अभी मैं फॉर्मूला पेस्ट नहीं करूंगा, दूसरी चीज पेस्ट करूंगा। सी इट नाउ हियर, आई क्लिक हियर एंड देन आई क्लिक फर्स्ट वाला। तो देखो पूरा फॉर्मेटिंग के साथ, फॉर्मेटिंग के साथ आ गया पूरा, फॉर्मेटिंग के साथ। और विल सी द average also. So I72, so that average value is also properly calculated of this sheet. इसका 20,437 है, और यहाँ पे फर्स्ट का देखो 19,000, so values are different, so automatically average value of this sheet this month have been calculated, right? So this is also there। इसको थोड़ा सा, so that ये यहाँ पे जो फॉर्मेटिंग थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया, that will be adjusted properly, right? तो मैं इसको, ओके फाइन फाइन, ओके, this is adjusted। How to delete, I'll select this, I'll select the data of all data, and then I'll click the delete key. So entire data will be deleted, right? Here also everywhere the data will get deleted, right? Now I'll control Z and then copy it. Now this things, all data is in front of you. So दो sheet बनाए हैं हम, salary February 25 and salary for the March 25। So all complete data is with you। and आप अगर इसको, अभी मैं salary February का बताता हूँ। if I click on file, if I click on print, see how nicely it is, दिखाई दे रहा है आपको सारा प्रॉपर, राइट। नाउ आई गो बैक एंड आई शो यू कि कहाँ तक ये प्रिंट प्रीव्यू अगर देखेंगे, पेज लेआउट में जाकर विल सी द प्रिंट प्रीव्यू, पेज लेआउट, सॉरी, व्यू में देख, व्यू में क्लिक करोगे, सो पेज ब्रेक प्रीव्यू, सी दिस पेज ब्रेक प्रीव्यू। मुझे क्या करना है, ये सी दिस, यहाँ तक मुझे पूरा प्रिंट कराना है, सो यहाँ तक पूरा प्रिंट करेगा। सो नॉर्मल व्यू में मैं वापस जाऊंगा, फाइल पे क्लिक करूंगा, प्रिंट पे क्लिक करूंगा। नाउ यू सी द एंटायर शीट इज देयर, राइट। प्रॉपर प्रिंट आप ले सकते हैं, इसको बड़ा करना है, छोटा करना है, वगैरह वगैरह सारी चीजें कर सकते हैं। साइन के लिए जगह आ गई वगैरह, एवरीथिंग इज नाइस, यू सी। डन, फाइन। आस्किंग मी हाउ आई पुट डिजिटल साइन ऑन शीट, डिजिटल साइन देयर, डिजिटल साइन, ओके फाइन, ओके डिजिटल साइन। अब ये एवरेज को बाद में देखते हैं, फिर एवरेज इसको आई यू। अभी मुझे क्या करना है, ये अकाउंटेंट की जगह पे मुझे मेरी साइन डालनी है यहाँ पे, राइट। सो इंसर्ट, इंसर्ट देन पिक्चर, एंड देन जहां से भी पिक्चर मुझे सिलेक्ट करना है, सो आई हैव वन साइन, माय साइन हियर। सो आई विल गो टू दैट फोल्डर, इफ इट इज देयर आई विल पुट, सी, ओके। सो साइन हैज बीन, बट ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा है, सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल रिड्यूस द साइन, फाइन। ये साइन थोड़ा सा, सो आई चेंज द साइन, और उसका पोजीशन भी मुझे यहाँ चाहिए। सो अकाउंटेंट का पोजीशन मैंने यहाँ कर दिया, देन इमेज मैंने डिजिटल साइन यहाँ पे डाल दी, एंड देन नाउ इसको भी मुझे थोड़ा सा क्या करना है, मे बी बैकग्राउंड रिमूव करना है, सो आई कैन रिमूव द बैकग्राउंड, दैट आई कैन डू, राइट। रिमूव बैकग्राउंड कर सकते हैं, राइट। देन इमेज को थोड़ा सा फॉर्मेट में, इफ आई क्लिक ऑन फॉर्मेट एंड इफ आई करेक्ट लाइक हियर, आई कैन सी ब्लैकिश जो था वो चला गया। सो साइन आई कैन डिजिटल image, not digital sign. Digital sign is a different concept. Government of India has a different concept of digital signature, that is different. But here, the signatures can be done here, right? And even more, if you want to have more clear signs, you can do that also, right? और ज्यादा थोड़ा सा उसको अच्छा बना सकते हैं, right? See, signatures are already introduced, right? So what I will do is I'll change this and I'll add only an image. So that image you can copy it from anywhere. So I'll insert, then picture, and this either I will add into this, so that you consider this as an, maybe, because again the images or image, or I'll crop it also. See, from here I can crop that, crop, I can make it proper, a small crop. Image cropping tool is also there. In MS Office, Word is also image cropping tool is there. Excel also there. PowerPoint is also there. So image cropping tools are there. So this is a nicely cropped image. Fine. So I'll make it small and I'll put it as an accountant signature. Now see, very nicely done. So things are okay now. You can see it. Very nice. Only thing, something are missing is here. The borders are missing, so that I'll put the borders here also. The border is missing here also, so I'll put the border here also. Right? I have seen it. Right now, like highest salary if I want. So which one is the maximum? That also we'll see it tomorrow. Probably. Okay, we'll see. Some part we can see. Like here you want max, max, and I want to find out which one is the max value of this range. Who is getting the, sorry, I'll repeat it again, is equal to max, and in this the range, I'm selecting the range, then bracket complete, and then enter. So who has the highest salary? The 25,000 rupees is the, who is name? What is the highest salary? Who will find out afterwards? Who, like those are called as pivot tables, right? But who has the maximum salary? This is clear. So here I'll write max salary. Okay, sorry, I'll delete it. Here I'll put max bracket, then the range. I'll select the range, the bracket complete, and then the max salary. Here I'll write max salary, and here one max salary, and here I'll write minimum salary also. Minimum salary. So how to calculate minimum salary? Here again, equal, then the formula minimum, bracket, give the range out of which you want to find out the minimum, complete the bracket, finish. This is the minimum salary. Yes, the Excel has automatically calculated for you the maximum salary also and minimum salary also. Who is getting how, what is his basic, vagara, 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 it will be in pivot table. It will come in pivot table. So that we'll see maybe in next 1 or 2 days, maybe 2 or 3 days, we'll finish everything. Excel in 5 days, 6 days, we'll try to finish everything. Right. So these are the minimum we have seen, maximum we have seen, average we have seen, then average of different we have seen. Then tomorrow probably we'll see the how to plot the graph of this, like different graph, line graph, vagara, vagara. That also we'll see, right? Trends and everything, right? Those graphs. Again, this is a salary. So this sheet you can imagine of anything. You got it, na? This is a salary sheet. You can sales be ऐसे ही आएगा, नहीं maybe डिफरेंट एरियाज का आ सकता है. देन मे बी अगर बात कर रहे हैं तो फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट भी यू कैन सिमिलर, द कॉलम्स विल चेंज एंड फाइनेंशियल इट यू कैन कॉल इट एज एन फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. सो बेसिक थिंग्स रिमेन सेम, राइट? फॉर्मूला will remain same. Only thing is that the application, the formula application yesterday, those were only for invoice. Now the application is now a salary sheet. Tomorrow it could be a audit statement, it could be anything, right? So many formulae. There could be 10 number of, like for example, salary for year, there will be 12 sheets. 12 sheets will come together, and one sheet will come for the similar, like the calculation of each month in one line only. So that is possible. So इस तरह से सारा हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, आराम से सारी चीजें देख सकते हैं, बिल्कुल एकदम उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी। तो इसको भी मैं क्या करता हूँ, बॉर्डर कर लेता हूँ। सो आई मेक बॉर्डर, और इसको अच्छे से थोड़ा सा फॉन्ट साइज बढ़ाकर, एंड देन एक छोटा सा मेक अ कलर आल्सो। Fine. Now this also I want to copy it, Control C, and I want to paste it for March. So I'll paste it for March. So this has been calculated. See, maximum salary in this case is 30,000 and minimum is 15,000. So it is getting automatically calculated, right? Automatically it is getting calculated. So here itself we can put some more action options on these things. So nicely I taught you.